Hello everyone, and welcome to our how-to training videos. Today, I'm going to present you how to sign up or register a new store. After completing this training, you will have two things. 1. Your own empty store, ready to be populated with products. Please see another training video on how to build your store. And 2. Your unique store code, made of 6 letters, which will allow you and your clients to connect to your store. Before we start, it is assumed that you have already an iPad and have already downloaded and installed our Shop mobile application from the Apple App Store using the QR code provided on our website. Please have in mind that the Shop app running on your iPad will be your store control center, where you will manage your store, your products, your promotions, your orders, your clients, your deliveries, etc. Now that you have installed the Shop app on your iPad, please open the app by tapping on its icon. You will see a pop-up message asking you to accept notifications. Please tap on the Allow button. It is important that you accept notifications so you can be immediately informed when a new client signs up with your store, or when you receive a new order. Now, you should see a new store sign-up screen with a green background. Fill out the displayed form, providing the following information: your store name, a contact name, your email address, which will be also your username when logging into your store. Re-enter your email address to make sure there is no typo and both match. Create a password made of at least 8 characters. The one I am creating here is a very bad one, as very easy to guess, but it's only for this training. Re-enter the same password. Please remember your password, as you will need it to log into your store. In the next field, provide your store street address. You can continue the store address using the next field with an information such as a suite number or a unit number, etc. Enter the city, the state, with 2 letters, your zip code, and finally, your phone number, so your clients can reach you. Once the form is complete, you should tap on the Register New Store button. A detailed pop-up message is now displayed, informing you on how to continue the sign-up process, as it will need to verify that the email address belongs to you. First, you will receive an email from OmtrekSoft. You should also check your junk box. You will need to open that email using either your smartphone or your computer, but please proceed as you are used to, and open that email. That email contains a link, and also your store code, made of 6 letters. Click on that link. A browser will open, and just after a few seconds, it will display a message confirming that your store has been successfully created. Please note that some email applications or accounts may not allow you to click on the link provided in the email. In that case, copy and paste the entire link into your browser address bar. Then press the Enter or Return key, and you should see a message in your browser confirming that your store has been successfully created. If you click multiple times on that link, the message will inform you that the store already exists. In which case, you should ignore that message and continue. Then, after closing the pop-up message on your iPad, you will need to enter your store code in the corresponding space at the bottom of the new store sign-up page. Finally, to enter into your online store, you need to tap on the Go to Store User Login screen button, which will bring you to a new login screen with a blue background, where you can log in by entering your registration email address and the password that you created during sign-up. As you can see, you are now logged into your store. As said earlier, your store is empty. A next tutorial video provides detailed and step-by-step instructions on how to populate your store with products, including descriptions, pictures, prices, delivery cost information, tax information, and so on. This ends our training video, how to sign up or register a new store. And thanks for watching.